So what are you guys doing right now?
Organizing pieces.
Okay. And you're familiarizing yourself with the installation process, Atticus?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry Evie, but these lights need to be on. Good job, Atticus. What are we assembling?
We're assembling the bunk bed.
Okay. Whose bunk bed?
Mine.
Okay. Okay. Harry, what are you doing? Besides almost impaling your foot.
I'm getting all the pieces.
No, what are you doing?
I'm getting all the pieces.
That's not gonna stay.
Yeah, those pieces.
I'm gonna slip on that some
I
homo.
got the pieces, Dad.
Yeah.
I got the pieces.
Oh,
I
cool.
swear, if you hit me
Okay.
with that, I'm gonna be
Yeah,
so
no
mad.
violence, okay? Did you hear me? No hitting Abby with random bed pieces, all right?
No, one pieces. One bed.
Okay, excuse me. Sorry, I need to. Yeah. Didn't I ask you to open the blinds, Abby?
I closed it.
Yeah, I want it open. I asked you to open the blind in Mommy's room too. Remember?
I don't think I don't have Post-it notes everywhere.